And again, everyone, I'm the chef Dwight, and today I'll be making carrot cocoa bread. So to a blender, the first thing I do, I add half cup of coconut milk, quarter cup of heavy cream, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons melted butter, a cup of carrots. Then I blend. After blending the mix, I set it aside, and now I'm gonna start my dry ingredients. So on a stand mixer, I pour 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour in. Two and quarter teaspoon quick yeast. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I mix everything together like so. Then I add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I mix. Now I'm gonna pour my wet mixture in the dry ingredient. Carrot, and all those mixture goes in. Then I grab my oak and I put on my standard mixer and I mix. If it's too dry, add some more coconut milk. Or even water, or heavy cream, whatever you have. Sometimes you could push down your dough like so, and start blending again. So now I'm gonna continue mixing my dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes elasticy. So after mixing for 8 to 10 minutes, I stop my mixer and I take it out. It's supposed to look like this. See, I touch it. It's not too coming up on my finger, like sticky. This is the right texture. Okay. So if you take it out and it's still sticking at the bottom of the pot like so, you need to add just a little bit more flour. Because you want to know that you want your dough not supposed to be sticking in the bowl. You want to be like that. See, it's not sticking now. See, it's not on the side or anything like that. It's good. In that same bowl, I had some oil, and I take my dough and I place in with plastic wrap. And let it rest for 1 hour. So while I'm waiting for my dough, I'm gonna throw some oil in a tray and rub the oil in the tray like so. And then I'm gonna get my parchment paper and put like that. So my dough is ready. It's an hour. My dough is ready. And I'm gonna punch down. Yeah. I'm gonna take my dough out. Like so. And I'm gonna weigh my dough. It's 2 pounds and quarter. So it weighs 2 1/4. And we have to make 10, so we're gonna divide it by 10. So if it weighs 2 1/4, I gotta get 10 pieces of 3.6 ounces. Now that I have 10 pieces, I put flour on my table And I roll like so. Then I'm gonna roll out. So after rolling it out, then I put butter, melted butter on my dough like so. That's a melted butter. And then after I fold, come right across like so. And fold. And after you fold, you put it on your tray. Like so. So now I'm gonna continue and do the rest. So now that I got my 10 Coco bread ready and shaped, I'm gonna cover for our next half an hour. So after 30 minutes, this is how my carrot Coco bread looks. Wonderful. So now I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. So it's 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna take my carrot Coco bread from the oven. Wow, looking good, looking good. So now I take it from the oven, so I'm gonna put some melted butter on them. Looking beautiful. Great. Okay, here is my carrot Coco bread. I'm gonna look at it inside. Look at the butter inside. Wow, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna break it, taste a piece, and it's delicious. I hope you guys learned something on how to make this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and catch you in the next one.